Hello guys, today I'm going to pick this American lock I got from Jeff Moss. And so I'm seriously mad betting on it. The lock does work. So lock it up. It's locked. And I'm going to pick it. And I will get it afterward. So it's a 5-pin lock, by the way. Going to reset it. I did something weird and now it feels all springy. I don't think there are spools out there. I think it's all standard. All serrated, sorry. If it will be standard, it will be already open. I still have a little bit of trouble on these American locks, but I am slowly but surely getting better with them. They are still not easy for me. They are quite a tough pick. And here we go, I got it. Just 3 minutes. It's kind of not my record, but it's the first time I pick one in camera. So now I will just set the lock here and try to just rearrange stuff a little bit to be able to give you a better view of what I'm doing. So here we go. Put that here. And I will remove the screw from it. There we go. I'm glad I got it because it's non-cured ending, so it's bypassable because there is no shielding plate on it. And now remove that C-clip. I will lock it back up. There we go. No more C-clip in my way. I will use the key. Lock still works. My my pen that I use as a highlighter, I use as a plug follower. So as I said, 5-pin American. We'll just dump the key pin. Standard standard, serrated, standard, and standard. So the center one is serrated, but all the other ones are standard. Too short to have serration on them. So let's see the magic. Serrated, 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 and serrated. So it's what we were looking at. Focus you. So all serrated driver pins and all the standard key pin, but the middle one was serrated too. So thank you for watching, guys, and please stay legal.